so we're gonna play this dog simulator since my sister loves dog simulator so much.
Yep. So we got to multiplayer, and I got a lot of dogs.
Eventually, we'll be playing other games like Minecraft, Roblox.
But
right?
the panda, I don't know why. If the panda's small and this guy is weaker than this panda dog. So let's play.
So guys,
Wait, this is a skip ad.
Wait, pause. Sorry
Okay.
guys, so that's not a sponsor for any ad.
Yeah, I know. So it's gonna start. Okay, it's starting.
Please like her video.
Hey, everybody else already killed everything. It's so glitchy. And somebody's trying. There's also a Batman dog. Eh. Also, next video I'm gonna play Cat Simulator.
Yeah.
Now the dog said woof woof. At least somebody didn't destroy the paint there.
Also, guys, subscribe to me. My channel is Georgie the Georgie Happy Face. It will be in the link down below. Well, it's
also,
not gonna be a link.
if you're the first, wait a minute.
If you're the first
one in the leaderboard, then you get to be the king because there's a crown.
And you get a lot of money.
Yeah, and then you can. George, I'm so close to getting the golden. I'm so close to getting the golden dog. Look, I just need to get the 7 here. Here. Please, can I go up? What happens if... Hey, who's hitting me? Stop it, Mr. Batman. Oh, stop it. Okay, I got 1 diamond.
So guys, we're gonna pause till the next. Oh, never mind.
Yep, it's always going and going. Ha! He keeps on hitting me. Why? I don't trust that guy. I'm gonna go up here. Oh, I cannot get up anywhere. It's too glitchy. Sorry. So I go here. Black pages. Okay. I'm gonna destroy stuff here. There's a lot of glasses.
So guys, your next video will be bombs.
Oh my god! I made him fall down. He's on the floor. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna go to single player now.
Yeah, so we're gonna pause.
Okay, guys. Now I'm gonna.
Well, guys, I'm gonna leave because I need to make my video.
Okay, so I'm gonna go to single player and then I'm gonna go to the house. You can go anywhere you want. Wait, sorry guys, this is not the thing. This thing to upload a skip ad. Sorry, in YouTube. I'm not supposed to do that. Ah.
So today we're gonna play Bomb Squad. All of us are
This is so
recording.
fun.
And my sister is now a YouTuber. Subscribe to her. Her channel is Patricia DeGour. Look, we're all recording.
I opened this fridge.
Wait, I'm pretty sure you're recording, right?
Fridge, big mess.
Well, my
Okay,
brother made-
you know what I'll do to this guy? I'm gonna get payback when he was saying bad words to me. Yeah, you get out of here,
Oh, like-
man. That guy going. So, if you guys want to play this dog simulator game, then download it in the Play Store.
Just death naturally.
I'm gonna go here. Wait, so tomorrow I need to make a video again?
Yeah, if you want to be popular.
So I have to keep on making videos every day.
It's okay. So we got
Yeah. Look, now he's just gonna sit in here. Hello, panda guy. Ha! That kid.
Okay, George, I'm gonna play with you.
Book. I'm a book hater.
You're gonna join.
Okay. Now I'm gonna go outside, where you can see the husky dog. That when you go to him, then you could play with him. Yeah, that husky. Hey, I'm gonna smash it on your face.
Actually, my brother is gonna play with me, so.
Oh my god, I went so high. Now I'm gonna do something to this guy. I'm gonna make him angry, and then he's gonna by mistake just burn the bottle, and then it will get so big, the fire.
Hey guys, it's George, and today we're
Yeah,
playing
he's shouting,
Yeah,
buddy.
we're gonna join
I go to, where's
Yeah.
the
And my
husky?
sister is now a YouTuber. Today she
Hey,
posted-
get back here. Uh-oh.
So today
Ooh, a
she
diamond.
posted a lot of videos. She posted
Oh man.
two
Hey,
in
stop following me, Mr. Dog.
Hi guys, Daddy, they're gonna play
Now it's gonna go. Sorry. Stop following me, Mr. Husky. This guy. He cannot
Well,
get me
guys,
here. For
I'm
some
with my
reason,
brother.
the dog cannot go in the pool. Or the lake, you could say. See? I'm gonna go in the trampoline. There's also this secret house that you could go in, and there's things that you could destroy to get more points.
Where are you?
I almost went up there.
So we're gonna play this.
No, I don't want to get started. It's this one.
It's the glitch again.
Okay, guys. Uh-oh. Sorry, guys. That's not for YouTube that I'm gonna put a skip pad.
Where are you?
So, wait for me. We're in this place now. Ha! Man, again, I made this guy fall down. Let me try to get this coin. It's so hard to get into bed.
Hey guys, it's George, and today we're gonna play Geometry Dash. I actually tried to play this before. And
I can almost get the golden dog. That is stronger.
Alright, let's get into the video.
Ugh.
So,
Now I'm gonna go to this guy.
okay, so this is full version.
I'm destroying everything.
Every single one.
This is cool as a pool.
Wait guys, I'm gonna close my face cam.
Cool as a pool.
Well, we're gonna do this.
George, you know when you tip this guy over here, when you put the oil, then he will act like the garage, the one that crawls like this. He's gonna start crawling up to me. Look, look, look! He's doing it right now! It's creepy. Why did they put that in the game? Whoever made this, it's weird.
Sorry guys, I just had to pause for a while. Well, I died. So one.
George, what are you playing?
Geometry Dash.
Oh, Geometry Dash.
I just grabbed him. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
Now I'm gonna get out. Okay, guys, I guess this is the end of the video. Bye.